For the best price, click the link in the description. Today I'm taking a closer look at the Dreame Trouver K10, and if you're anything like me, you've probably seen this product floating around online with its impressive features and sleek design. But here's what surprised me: despite being a high-end robot vacuum, it doesn't come cheap. That got me thinking, is the extra money worth it? I mean, we all know that quality products often cost more, but can the Dreame Trouver K10 deliver on its promises? Let's dive deeper into what makes this product tick and see if it lives up to the hype. The Dreame Trouver K10 boasts an impressive range of features. For starters, it comes equipped with a powerful 2000 PA suction power that can pick up dirt and debris with ease. This is thanks to its advanced V-shaped design and 3-stage filtration system. But what really sets this robot vacuum apart is its ability to navigate even the most complex spaces. With its advanced navigation system and laser-based mapping technology, it can create a detailed map of your home and adapt to different environments on the fly. And with voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, you can give commands from anywhere in the room. But there's more. This robot vacuum also comes equipped with a self-emptying dustbin that can hold up to 3 liters of debris. That means no more emptying the bin after every use and no more worrying about overflowing dustbins getting in the way. Now I know what you're thinking. All these features sound great, but how does it actually perform? Let's take a closer look at some real-world results. According to reviews on Amazon, the Dreame Trouver K10 has an impressive 4.5-star rating, with many users praising its ability to pick up pet hair and allergens with ease. Some reviewers even noted that it's quieter than expected, which is no small feat given its powerful suction power. But here's where things get interesting. Some users have reported issues with the navigation system, including getting stuck on furniture or not being able to detect certain obstacles. So what's going on? Is this product worth the extra money, or are there better options out there? Let me tell you, I've been using the Dreame Trouver K10 for a while now, and I'm still trying to figure it out. I mean, on one hand, it does an amazing job of cleaning my hardwood floors. The suction power is incredible, and the navigation system really seems to know what it's doing most of the time. But then there are the times when it just gets stuck. Like, seriously stuck. I'm talking about being wedged between 2 pieces of furniture or getting tangled up in a mess of cords. It's frustrating, to say the least. However, I've noticed that these issues seem to be isolated incidents and not necessarily related to the product itself, but rather user error or environmental factors. Which got me thinking. Is this product really worth the extra money? Should you splurge on the Dreame Trouver K10, or are there better options out there? Let's take a closer look at some of its key features and see if they justify the price tag. For example, the advanced navigation system and laser-based mapping technology that I mentioned earlier. These features alone would make this product worth the extra money in my book, especially considering how much it can save you on maintenance costs over time. Not to mention the self-emptying dustbin, which is a game changer for anyone with allergies or pet owners who need to keep their homes clean. But then there are the other features that might not be as crucial. For example, voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Is this really something you'd use on a regular basis? I mean, I can see how it would come in handy for some people, but for others, it might just be a nice-to-have feature. So what's the verdict? Is the Dreame Trouver K10 worth the extra money, or are there better options out there? In my opinion, this product delivers on its promises and then some. The advanced features, impressive suction power, and self-emptying dustbin make it well worth the investment, especially considering how much you'll save in maintenance costs over time. But what do you think? Should you splurge on the Dreame Trouver K10, or are there better options out there? If you're still unsure, let me leave you with one final thought. This product is not just a robot vacuum. It's an investment in your home and your health. Think about all the time and money you'll save by having a reliable cleaning solution that can keep up with your lifestyle. For the best price, click the link in the description to get your Dreame Trouver K10 today.